Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your account is configured for two-factor authentication. This is what creates the secret. Once done, open the website or app where you enable 2FA and choose the Authenticator option. Make sure your phone has Google Authenticator installed and the camera permission enabled so you can scan a QR code. If scanning fails, prepare to copy the manual key. Do this now, because the next step generates the shared secret you will add to the app. You will now add the new key into Google Authenticator. Tap the plus icon, then scan the provider's QR code or select Enter a setup key and type the account name and secret exactly. Label the entry so you can recognize it later. That label appears in the app. Ensure the token type is time-based, TOTP, not counter-based. If codes don't validate, make sure your phone's clock is accurate. Synchronizing time fixes most mismatches and prevents repeated failures. Complete setup by entering the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into the website. This verifies the shared secret. Once confirmed, download or copy recovery codes and store them in a secure place, and consider adding a backup device so you're never locked out. If something goes wrong, first resync your phone's time settings, then try reinstalling the app. If you still can't sign in, use recovery codes or the provider's account recovery process to regain access. Those steps save hours of trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.